Hey guys, what is up? It is Logie here, and today we've got an unboxing of the giant yuxin 3x3, the mini yuxin 3x3, and the pillowed yuxin 3x3. So let's get into the mini keychain one. Okay, the shades definitely look very nice. You can just tell. Yeah. Okay, well, let's go into first turns. Wow, now that turns very, very nice. This keychain's getting a bit annoying, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. I'll probably take it off as well. Overall, the cube is very smooth and it's very nice. Corner cutting is that's very good. Ew. So, since it popped, let's look at the mechanism. Yeah, that's a Speedcube design. That's actually fascinating. So let's just put it back in. So yeah, once again, the puzzle. This is a very good, this is the best keychain cube on the market. This is amazing. It's very smooth and it's fast with great corner cutting. Yeah, I really like this cube. So let's get into the yuxin pillowed cube next. Okay. Comes with a stand, yuxin magic cube. Here's the yuxin pillowed cube, and let's get into first turns. Yeah, that definitely turns very nice. It doesn't turn as nice as the keychain cube, but it definitely turns very nice. I want to see what the mechanism is like. So that actually looks like the mini keychain cube, actually. The mechanism. They look very similar. But the smaller keychain cube performs better. Let's try corner cutting. Yeah. The keychain cube actually corner cuts better, which is actually kind of amazing. But yeah, it's very smooth. It's a really nice feeling cube, and it's slow, but I mean, like, it's a pillow cube, so it's just a cool, weird cube. Okay, let's get into the giant 3x3. And here is the yuxin 3x3 cube, and it is the giant one. It is 8.8 centimeters. So that's massive. Now, we can obviously compare it to a. No, I don't have any other 3x3 here. A normal size 3x3. Let's get my yuxin. Yep, as you can see, the big one is much bigger because it's big. So let's get into first turns. Wow, this is an incredibly good cube. Let's try corner cutting. Yeah, that's got good corner cutting, but I don't think you can reverse. Yeah, you can't reverse. The turning feels like a big cube. The turning is quite smooth. It's fast as well. Yeah, that's fast. It can do U2s. That's fast, and yeah, it performs really nicely. It's a really fun cube. I would highly recommend all three of these cubes. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Comment any new video ideas in the comments, and I will see you later.